Please enter your password, then press. Welcome to your voicemail service.
Para español, oprima 1.
I will be helping you set up your voicemail in 3 easy steps: creating a password, recording your name, and creating a greeting. You will need to create a new password. Otherwise, you will be prompted again the next time you call your voicemail. Let's get started by creating a password. Enter your new 4 to 9-digit password. Then press the pound sign. Your new password is 0856. If you are satisfied with your password, sorry, 1 is not a valid answer. Your new password is 0856. If you are satisfied with your password, press pound. To change your password, press star. Sorry, 1 is not a. Your new password is 0856. If you are satisfied with your password, press pound. To change your password, to require your password each time you call your voicemail, press 1. To leave this feature off, press 2. Password security is now disabled. You will still need your password when accessing your voicemail while roaming or from a phone other than your own. Next, you will record your name. At the tone, please speak your first and last name, then press pound. Your name is. If you are satisfied with your recorded name, press 1. To erase and re-record your name, press name saved. Next, you will record a personal greeting. If you would like to use.
Your account balance is running low. You can talk up to 5 minutes.
Next, you will record a personal greeting. If you would like to use your name as your greeting and skip to the end of your voicemail setup, press 2. Your callers will be greeted with your recorded name. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete. To access your mailbox in the future, press and hold the 1 key from your phone. Please remember your password: 0856.